In this video, I will explain you how to make effects like this in CapCut. See, you can do drop effect like this. First, go to the CapCut blank project. I want to animate this. First, take a screenshot of this image. I will take a screenshot like this, exactly like this. Once this screenshot is done, go to this photo room and add your screenshot. I will add the screenshot here. Once the screenshot is added, just remove this. See, once the image is removed background, go to this website, fire from Adobe, then download this image. Once the download is done, go back to the CapCut, add your downloaded image. See, then go to this website, photo room, and just upload it. You will get a background remover. Once you get the image, download this image. Can you add? Go to this CapCut and add this image. Okay, add it here. Okay, this is the final step. You have to add this image and this both you have created from this image. You have to make sure this go come here this image and make sure it perfectly looks like this here, and then go back here. You have to make transaction transform, select this and drop this here, and right side corner you will get option like transform. Click it here and just drop it from here to here. Got it right? See, it's dropping. That's it. You will get a drop effect. Make sure it look like dropping here. To make sure everything perfect, drop drag this one and make sure this track is not visible, and go to this track and you can able to drag and drop here. See, once this should look perfectly. Once it get perfect, then move this track to little bit here and then go back here and make it visible. See, perfectly right. Then we have to add some effects here to look better. You can also animate this effect. Go this animation. See, you will get a many options like here. See, you can do it like this. Drop effect. I will add some lighting effect here. Go to this lighting. See, this look something special. I have added Another effects, it's a deep scan effect. See, it's look better now. You can also add effect like this. Once it drop down, you will get these effects. See, it's like something special. After everything you done, go to this export option and export into 60 fps. I will export in 60 fps 4K resolution. This one is the best. If you do 120 fps it will be hang, and I will export, just export it. Once you get a final output I will show you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.